Speechless Hair Growth Blend. Carefully extracting Earth's natural goodness for your hair. We extract Earth's natural goodness to create spellbinding products you will not want to live without. Only the absolute best ingredients makes it into our formula with 100% completely plant friendly, transforming your hair in ways that you would never imagine. We love animals, meaning that our product is cruelty free and not tested on any animals. We work hard to ensure this product we created is 100% vegan.
After discovering most hair care products are brimming with chemicals, of course many of us know this can be irritating to the skin and scalp, causing all kinds of concerns, from acne to redness and even inflammation. This was not helped by the fact that these luxuriously packed products were expensive. I decided back then the only way I was going to be able to add effective and clean products to our shelves was by creating them. After several experiments with different clients with different hair types and different hair and skin conditions, I found the perfect ingredients that have resulted in extreme hair growth, regrowth, and thickness over periods of time. How did Speechless get to where she is today with this extraordinary product?
My journey began at the age of 7. My mother moved to a different parish in Jamaica to find a better life, leaving me in care of my grandmother, who was blind and quite incapable of looking after me. She would, however, try her best to look after me. For example, she would braid my hair for school. Although she couldn't see how she was parting my hair, she could feel enough to braid it. I was bullied at school for having granny plaits with terrible partings. So I practiced combing my hair by myself to avoid the shame. The bullying continued, unfortunately. It spurred me on to take charge of my own hair. And by the time I was 9 years old, I had already mastered the skill of braiding and mixing different oils from foods and plants such as coconut, aloe vera, etc. To an extent that I was the one taking care of my grandmother's hair. I would practice different styles and hair care remedies on her. Remember that as she couldn't see what I was doing, and before long, I was known as the hair doctor in my community, Portland, Jamaica, as neighbors started to recognize my talent for hair. But I never imagined I would find myself here in the UK fulfilling my purpose.
In May 2020, when the UK and many other countries were on lockdown during the devastating outbreak of you-know-what, bored out of her mind, Speechless ventured on a hair journey with her dear husband to show the world how extraordinary this particular product was. But even her herself was astonished by her husband's extreme hair growth after just 6 months. During this time, Speechless also used this product on different clients and family members with different types of hair in order to compare the results from her husband's and this client in particular who suffers from extreme hair loss in relation to alopecia. He started to see results beyond his wildest imagination. At no time during this experiment he'd ever thought his hair would regrow to such length and fullness, especially around the crown where it was thinning the most. At this point, we were all astonished by this extraordinary product. To learn more about this product, please visit our website, www.speechlesshairstyles.co.uk. We are now having a 35% off sale, so if you're interested in purchasing, please DM Facebook or Instagram to get your coupon today.